Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present our paper entitled The Right of Nursing Mothers at the Workplace in the Perspective of Indonesian Public Service and its Effect on Job Performance. First of all, let me introduce me and my partner. I am Isri Yuniworo Astuti and my partner Esa Wahyu Endarti. We are from Universitas Wijaya Putra located in Surabaya, Indonesia. The background of our research is motivated by the fact that many working women are forced to be willing to abandon their obligation to provide exclusive breastfeeding for their babies for a minimum 6 months. Whereas the breast milk is important for babies' growth and development so that they can develop optimally both physically, mentally, and intellectually. Obligation of mother to breastfeed their babies are often constraints because more and more women are undergoing dual roles, both as mothers and as workers outside the home. Once the importance of breastfeeding for her baby needs to have the support and attention of the government and the private sector as providers of the employment so that working mothers can still breastfeed their babies exclusively. Therefore, since 1990, UNICEF is campaigning the World Breastfeeding Week, which is held every August, day 1 to 7, which is spread out throughout the world. In Indonesia, the affirmation program for breastfeeding mothers was started since 2009 by the Law Number 36, Article Number 128, that every mother has the right to breastfeed her baby exclusively for 6 months. The goals of this campaign for breastfeeding mothers is to reduce infant mortality. However, in Indonesia, the infant mortality rate is still fluctuating in various regions. This is what underlies our research problem to be analyzed in this study is that the extent to which the fulfillment of nursing mother rights has been met in the workplace viewed from the perspective of public service and how it will affect their performance in the workplace. The theoretical review here we use the term of the impact of lactation giving facilities and performance of breastfeeding mothers. According to Basrovi study in 2018, showed that the presence of lactation facilities in the workplace will increase attendance because mothers are not worried about the health of their babies. Secondly, we refer to Cohen and et al. In 1995 on the comparison between the absentee level among mothers and the rate of sick babies among women who breastfeed and give formula milk to their babies at two companies. It showed that mothers who give formula milk to their babies are absent from work 1 day more than mothers who provide breast milk to their babies. And secondly, we use public service theory proposed by Saitamal, Parasuraman, and Perry, which consists of 5 dimensions of service quality. They are tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. And how about the method? This research is a descriptive study with a quantitative approach, and the population of this study were working breastfeeding mother with 178 samples obtained by the companion random sampling. The data collection was performed using questionnaire combined with secondary data, and the data analysis method using descriptive statistics. Here is our result of our research. The right of breastfeeding mother in the workplace is exclusively breastfeed for at least 6 months has not been fulfilled properly. And the second, the result of the study reinforced the finding of previous studies which states that the prevalence of exclusive breastfeeding in Indonesia was lower compared to countries such as Malaysia and Taiwan, whereas the Exclusive breastfeeding rate was reported to be 49% in office workers in Malaysia and as high as 66.9% in Taipei, Taiwan. And from 176 respondents, it is known that 50.3% of their workplace do not provide breastfeeding and or lactation facilities. 27.3% already have breastfeeding and lactation room facilities, but the conditions are less visible. And only 22.4% have provided facilities which is suitable for women workers who are breastfeeding. And from public service perspective, data indicate the dimension of empathy and tangibility get the lowest score, followed by the dimension of responsiveness, reliability, and assurance. However, the average score for the 5 dimensions is still low, that is only 2.2 out of 6 as the maximum score in Likert scale. And how about the impact of breastfeeding facilities with the job performance? From the data collected show that among the respondents who support the opinion that lactation or breastfeeding facilities will improve performance with the respondents who believe that breastfeeding facilities have no impact on the woman's job performance. The numbers are relatively balanced or similar, that are 47% and 48%. And there are also respondents who state that the existence of lactation room facilities will instead reduce work productivity by 4.9%. This finding is contrary to the mainstream view, where providing breastfeeding and lactation facilities at work will improve the performance of female employees who are breastfeeding. This relates to their behavior and understanding of the importance of exclusive breastfeeding. Previous research argue that maternal intention and breastfeeding knowledge are key factors that influence breastfeeding behavior. But before criticizing women for stopping breastfeeding, it is important to consider that environmental constraints faced and the action of mothers to overcome them, such as friendly work environment, social responses, and so on. The fact indirectly supports the argument that nursing mothers tend to live to the exclusive breastfeeding because they are afraid it will hamper their job performance. Finally, we come up to the conclusion that the findings show that the quality of services for the lactation nursing mothers facility in the workplace is still low. Most of the facilities for lactation and nursing mothers have not met the requirement, and adequate breastfeeding and lactation facilities are not guaranteed to improve their job performance, because what is more needed to comprehensive support from the environment, both the work environment, household, and the community. So that's all our presentation, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.